Hello everyone, my name is Ravil. I'm a winner of the last Meta Pharmacy Challenge. IPA-SF invite me to the judgment of this hackathon. So welcome to the second season of the Pharmacy Metaverse Hackathon, organized by IPA-SF. You are all pioneers by taking part in this initiative, and it will be future-proof your career. It's not our empty words, because I would get job because of Metaverse Challenge. And now I work in Dev Virtual Production Company. In this video, I'll show you how you can add to your 8XR scene your own HDRI, music, video, and how to create the portals. Now, let's teleportation to our metaverse. So, you created the Skybox in Blockade Labs. Just click download it, and you download the JPEG format of your HDRI. 8XR don't open JPEG for Skybox. So what we gonna do? Go to the browser and write JPEG to HDRI. Choose first or second website. I prefer second. And drop your downloaded HDRI right here. Click on convert and just download it. So as you can see, you downloaded the HDRI format file. Then open 8XR. As you can see, I have now the Skybox. Choose your scene, select assets, add assets, HDRI map. Upload the your downloaded HDRI. I already downloaded. So after that, you can choose select Skybox right here. For the comfortable view, you can choose the spreadsheet view. Click twice on the upload date, and on the top will be the latest assets. Click on that assets and insert. Voila! You downloaded the Skybox on your scene. So as you can see, I create a new HDRI, but never mind. We talk about the music. How you can add the music in your scene, like ambient. You click on the add object, choose audio, then add assets, audio, and choose your music. Wait small time for upload the music. Then choose this asset, audio, and select your uploaded music. Click on insert. You can choose the volume. You can loop it or autoplay. I prefer autoplay because I don't want to do the script about playing this audio. And the positional, you must choose in distance model a linear. On the max distance is 10,000. So if our spawn point or our player will be on the 10,000 from this point, this player can hear this audio. If you have the small scene, it is a good variant. So just click on play and check how it works. As you can see, it's work good, so use it to add the audio on your scene. So, you create the environment HDRI. You add the music in your scene. Now, how you can add the video? Click on plus, choose video, and add asset, video. Just upload to your assets the video and choose this. Let's talk about the portals. I want to show you from my game on 8XR. It's not completed, but I can show you how work the portals. So you can create the two type of portal. The first type is portal inside your scene. So you just teleportation from one point to another. So as you can see, I stay in my scene, but another point. And the second type of the portal is portal from one scene to another scene. This is the scene of the last challenge of pharmacy. So here you can see a few portals. You can just dive it and you teleport to another scene. So we just wait a few time. So as you can see, we teleported to another scene, and that's how work this type of teleportation. So let's do the portal of first type. I do it from primitives. I add the box, and I add another primitive like sphere. Let's do it something like that position, and I want change the material, so I do it something about that, and box 2. So what we're gonna do, we choose our portal and add modification. The first modification, it was be rigid body. You must check ghost. Then you should add the script, select script and choose script teleport. And the position of teleportation will be in our sphere. So -1, 3, 3. -1, 3, 3. So let's check it. So we downloaded the scene, and now we must check our portal. I dive into the cube and must teleportation into the sphere. Hop. So it worked. In next video I show you how you can create the second portal. Now we do it the portal of second type. I use this sphere. Change the position, and you must add rigid body, choose ghost, and add a script, select script, and teleport to scene, insert. And you just choose right scene. That's all. I choose my another scene, so let's check it out. And now we must teleportation at another scene. So as you can see, we teleport to another scene. I think my little lessons would be helpful for you. So thank you and good luck.